This is today's portion, Tuesday, September, I guess 5th? No, September 4th? No, 5th. I'm losing track of days. And this is what I just picked this morning off of these. And there's many more growing, as you can see. I just, you know, they say if you don't take some off, you won't get any new ones. So, there's more coming. Aren't they beautiful? Look at these. Well, that's a pretty picture, huh? Alright. And then there's some growing here still. These ones I water, but they're just on a corner in the porch that gets the sun real strong. 15. And this is our tomato bounty for the past week, I would say. This I just took off the porch this morning. There's about 15 of them in there. Better to take them green and let them turn red than to let the bugs eat them up, right? And you can green tomatoes and everything. And this was from a few days ago. And you might have saw the video that we did about the beef. No, we thought it was a beefsteak tomato. Come to find out it was a Cherokee purple. Here we go. Beautiful. Wow. Yeah, that's a Cherokee purple. Isn't that beautiful? Now let me get a picture instead of the video. And these are just examples of the zucchini and everything that we got earlier. See, we wasn't playing. I have poke, that's the poke and ham and onions and garlic. This is zucchini, tomatoes, mushrooms. See, our pickles, I jarred all up. Zucchini, that was what, 8, 9? 8, 9, and 8, 11. So we did zucchini almost like she was bringing in like 6 zucchini every 2 or 3 days. Girlfriend, don't play. I don't waste food. And as you can see, we have, where's it at? I think, yeah, we have zucchini, pickles, more zucchini, and that's where it all went. And that's more of the poke. Can't get it, okay. That's poke, zucchini. There's some tomatoes, so you can can your tomatoes, buddy. Don't lose your food. What else? More poke down here. That was 8. 8/18. More poke with ham and garlic and onions, beans. We have all kind of stuff in here. So look, even this is wonderful. Just salmon with butter and salt. And some more zucchini. I have my evap and stuff for our coffee or whatever, cereal, whatever you want. More stuff down in there. You know, I think this is another. Oh no, this is black beans. This is the black beans. It looks weird on the camera, but it's pretty cool. And then we have our ground meat we use for tacos. Corn, oh, that's corned beef. So, we're stocking. And this is our 15 from this morning. I had to go get them before the sun came out real deep. And my hummingbird was talking to me. Hi, I gave you new water. Hurry up before the bees get it. Come on, there he is. Hiding, come on. Come on, I made you new nectar. Come on. Hurry up. We have a hummingbird family that comes to say good morning to me. And they fly right up into my face. They are so sweet. I swear one's going to land on me one day. And he came up to me to let me know that the water was old. That I did about 3 days ago. The sun's been too hot, you know, stuff will turn to sugar, you know. So I changed it. And now he will not come down if I have this camera. It is so hard to catch them. There's a few of them. I'm surprised I just see one this morning. At least you guys get to see them. Pat. It's a beautiful, beautiful little hummingbird. A little stubborn hummingbird. There's a couple with red necks. There's one that got a little more green on it, and then this one's like kind of gray. Come on. He's looking, but he doesn't like the camera. I hate to say this, guys. I'm going to have to cut off the camera so he can eat. I'm going to pause it just to see if I can catch him. Oh, he almost... Oh, he's stretching. Stretching his wings. Come on, bee, get away. Made me lose him. Okay. I'm going to pause this and make him think that I'm done. I blew it. They don't like the camera, and for some strange reason my light came on and it is bright. Oh well, he's flittering around somewhere. As soon as I walk away he'll come, but that's okay. I'll get him. God bless, guys. Thanks for watching. And sure enough, he came. Let me see if I can get him over here.